challenge of a modern broadcaster is getting more and more complex, because with a linear program it used to be easy. You just had a channel and you had a license period and you had maybe territorial rights. In the non-linear world, the devices to which you have to schedule are growing more and more, and hence the rights definition get more and more complex. Just an example, you might be allowed to schedule on an iPad application for a streaming content, but you may not stream this to the big screen via AirPlay, because that is not permitted. And those complex new structures have to be considered in the planning process and in the acquisition process, and our system supports you with this. This here is our product Avatega. Avatega is a broadcast management system regarding intellectual property management. The Avatega product consists of different modules. The dashboard shows you what you have to do during the day. If you come in as a rights administrator, you have different information displayed than if you come in as a scheduler, for example. Here I'm in as a rights administrator. I see a distribution of my costs per genre for the last scheduled day. I see a pile of contracts I have to work on. And on the right-hand side, I have my work list. The work list compiles anything from tasks which are coming out of the workflow engine. The workflow engine hosts something like approval process in the contract management, or workflow processes which are going in combination with the media asset management, like ingest requests and then availability of the media. But I can also track tasks which I put into my Outlook, and so everything will be ordered according to priority and if I have worked on it. Since workflows in different media companies are always different, we are setting on a graphical engine to design those workflows. If we have the license available in our system, we always have the possibility to resell them or to use them on our own schedules. You then can find, in a more detailed scheduling way, episodes, for example, which belong into this channel with this platform for which I'm scheduling, and who are available regarding the rights properties which are defined, and I can simply pick them and drag and drop them onto the schedule. Nonlinear platforms can be compiled in an overview. Also, for the selected time range, it will display what content is on the platform. You see the dotted lines above the content appear. That means it has been scheduled but not finally delivered to the target platform. If we have a white line like this, then it's already available on the target platform. And again, like this, we get the pre-selection of the available content, which we can simply drag and drop onto the platform and have it scheduled up there. If we have to schedule video-on-demand content, there is a possibility that we select content for a selection of platforms. Up here we have our stock, which is displayed in posters. We can go into the details of any posters, and we want to pick this for the platform Bell and for TV Online, for example. On the left-hand side, I can pre-select this genre. I just want to add comedy content, and I want to have maybe fantasy and action, no crime, but documentary. Then I get the pre-selected content. I can now drill down by license availability with the license begin period. And I see in 2015, in April, I have the shows of Big Bang Theory available. And with a single push on the publish button, I can push this content on the target platforms.